Welcome. This is my latest video on my series on the FLSUN Q5 3D printer. So I'll put a link below to my FLSUN playlist where you can find my previous videos. I'll also put a link to the hardware I'm using, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So in this video I want to do some experimenting with build plate adhesion. So I generally have pretty good luck with it. A couple tips are that, especially after you first get it, you want to clean it really good. So I clean it with isopropyl alcohol. I have 90% here. You could use 70 if that's all you have. And I put it in a little spray bottle. So I can spray it on there and I wipe it off with a paper towel, and I do that between every print. You do probably want to do that before you start heating up the build plate because it'll cool it down pretty quick. You also want to make sure your Z height is right. If it's too low, the adhesion can be too high. If the Z height is too high, then the adhesion cannot be good enough. So I generally have pretty good luck, but sometimes I print things where things break loose. And I'll insert a clip here of a time lapse I did where you can see some parts breaking loose. Okay, so that's an octopus and the part broke loose. It just doesn't have enough adhesion. And I've had other similar parts break free like that. And people have offered different suggestions like using hairspray. And I don't really like spraying aerosols in the house. I'm not saying I never do, but I'd rather not use it. I find them to be messy. So what I'm going to be trying is the glue stick. So I have this Elmer's washable glue stick, and I'll put a link in the description of this on Amazon too if you want some of this. So this is water soluble, so it should clean up with water, or alcohol I'm guessing will clean it up too. So this is the disappearing purple, so it goes on purple and dries clear. So I'm going to smear this on the build plate, then I'll do my print and we'll see if it helps with adhesion. And I've had this print fail twice in the exact same spot, interestingly, which kind of makes me think that spot is dirty, but I've cleaned it really good. I also have cleaned this with acetone too, just in case the alcohol wasn't cleaning everything perfectly. Needless to say, you need to apply the glue so it's under every part that's being printed, and this octopus I'm printing is pretty large, so I'll have to do a pretty large circle there. I did rub this on a cardboard box before doing this to get off anything crusty that might have been on the glue stick. Okay, so I think I have good coverage there. I'm going to load up the filament and then I'll print this out and we'll see if it adheres. And we'll also see how easy it releases. Okay, the print is finished. And I forgot to mention earlier, I've tried brims before where it prints like a single layer at the bottom. And for a print like this, that'd be a pain because you have all these little segments and such. But I did it on a different print where there was like a leg coming down and the brim just broke off. And you could use a raft, but that's kind of overkill. But this seems like it was a success on this print. I tried this 2 other times and it was always breaking. This little part right here would come off. So now the question is it hard to take off? So this has been cooling down for a while. I'm going to try to remove it. Okay, so I got these to break free a little bit. I'm going to spray a little alcohol on here to see if that helps free it up at all. I could probably break it free without doing that, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'll let that sit for a minute, then I'll see if it comes up. Okay, I'll see if that breaks free. It's hard to get a shot of this. This is a translucent PLA. So there's a bit of a slimy mess here. I'm going to spray some alcohol in here and wipe it down and see how easy it cleans up. Okay, so I think I got that cleaned off fairly well. Okay, so there may be some residue on this print here too. So what I think I might do is run this under some water and rinse it off. And then I'll just set it next to like a furnace vent or something to dry off. And then I think it'll be in good shape. So I think this worked fairly well. If I have another print that I anticipate adhesion issues on, I think I'll use this again. I may have put it on heavier than I need. So I'll try and get as thin a coat as I can. And this is a smaller one. If they have larger ones, I think it would probably work a little bit better. It'd be easier to apply. I think you can get some that are about twice as wide as that. But otherwise, I think this was a success. You know, the third try is a charm, I guess. Except for, God forbid, I'd be able to show this on camera. So there we go. Not sure what's causing that glare problem. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.